Oh.
It's a weekly test of the NOAA weather radio all hazards warning device for station KHB38. The National Weather Service. Wednesday between 11. If there is a threat of severe weather during the normal test time, the test will be postponed to the signal normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Mount Harriet. This warning alarm tone will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater transmitter, can occur good quality receiver in perfect working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous weather watches and warnings for the following counties of marine areas and near southeast New Jersey, Atlantic, Burlington, Cape May, Cumberland, and Ocean, including the Atlantic coastal waters from New Jersey to Cape St. Lopez, Delaware out 40 nautical miles, and all of Delaware Bay. This concludes the weekly test of NOAA weather radio. All